Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how you can create boards on Pinterest. So let's get started. Head over to Pinterest, log into your account, and the fastest way to create a board, a theme related or topic related board, would be to simply look for pins you would like to add to a board. For example, your favorite pins in your favorite niche or category, like, I don't know, let's say burger recipes. You've been looking for recipes, for example, here on Pinterest for burgers or hamburgers. So simply scroll through your home feed here on Pinterest and hover your mouse over the pin you would like to add to your board. And after that, instead of adding the given pin to your profile here on Pinterest, select a board from the suggestions below if you have already created some, or click on that button here at the bottom, create board, to create a completely new and fresh board. For example, I will name that board here delicious food or delicious recipes, or let's call it burger recipes, and finalize your decision by clicking on create here in the bottom right corner. And that's actually all to it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.